Yeah, hello, amazing customers. We have done this contract, and I'm here in Berekum, Bono region to share with you the cost of the stone material, the cost of the workmanship, and how many bags of cement that the customer have spent to design these 8 pillars. Let's go. Yes, you. Yeah, hello, amazing customers. We are working in Ahimfi Hotel in Berekum. So nice and beautiful, you see. So other day we came here and took the measurement for the 8 pillars, you see. So according to our measurement, the customer will need a 6 truck, a 6 truck of stones, you see. So as like the Jennifer now, we have to put everything in one kia and deliver to the customer location, you see. So cause of us involving plenty, the 6 cost this customer 30,000 Ghana cedis, you see. 30,000 Ghana cedis. So so these stones in Greater Accra is 4,000 Ghana cedis per a Kia truck, you see. Because of us involving like up to 6 Kia to here, we are able to put everything in a rano, big rano, that have saved on a cost, you see. That have really be helpful. That be I'm saying that when you need a natural stones, give us a call. Let us come to your location and take a measurement so that you will know how many care that your building will need. So that at the end of the day, it will be so beneficial to you. You see, just imagine that my say these stones around Accra is 4,000 Ghana cedis, and this customer got it like 5,000 here in Berekum. Just imagine the journey from Accra to Berekum. You see, because of you are able to like buy the 6 at once. You see, and we also have a drivers that they understand and are crying. They make it things easier for us. So whatever they just give us a call. You see, so nice and you see, so nice and marvelous. As you can see, so beautiful, you see. So as for this crowding, I think they will surely involve a cement up to up to 70 bags of cement, you see. 70 bags of cement. So assuming if you want Kia, if you like 1 bag of cement is 100 Ghana cedis, the 70 will be around 7,000 Ghana cedis, you see. So the cement cost this customer 7,000 Ghana cedis. Oh, just 7,000 Ghana cedis. 7,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah, so 7,000 Ghana cedis for the cement involved, and a one son of a Kia Martin will be able to complete all these pillars, you see. So one Kia trust of son of a Kia Martin will be able to do these 8 pillars, as you can see. I know that right now you are waiting for my workmanship. My workmanship. My workmanship. The workmanship. You see, funny enough, you see, the workmanship always is about bargaining sometimes, you see. It's not about the fixed price. But the bitter truth is say the 6 of all these 8 pillars, some remain on. Someone remain for outside, so I'll go and make a video of that one for you to see. And the someone remain that we use those stones to do a design for outside. You see, a workmanship. I know that you want to hear the workmanship. You want to hear the workmanship. You want to hear the workmanship. And the workmanship also be similar. The workmanship is similar to the stone material we are involved. So just assuming, you see, just assuming. So whatever it is, give us a call. You see. So you see, you have used the rest of the stone to design this portion, as you can see. Oh, just here. As you can see. So whatever it is, whatever locate yourself, give us a call. The name is Steven Stone Design. Anything that concern natural stones, concern Steven Stone Design. Only number one. You're number one. So whatever it is, give us a call. You see, give us a call. Yeah, offering now. You better be my palm or chassis. And found bottom scar or sky dollars and a series and a pound or a friend. Nemba bed my pound no more near G. On the bed if a fair. Bye bye.